Garda driver Shane Carlos and Sergeant Alan McDevitt are on a routine late-night traffic patrol in Tala when they're called to a housing estate to assist other units.
We were out of the car dealing with another incident.
What are you at?
And we saw this car go by.
This red Mondeo drove in, not at speed, but he drove in a little quickly in towards the back of the housing estate.
The wheels were screeching, we could smell the clutch, we could see that it had been driven hard.
So we just got back into our own car and followed him into the back of the estate.
Careful. Say more.
I tried initially to see if I could block him with the patrol car.
Tango Bravo 15, following a car out of Cushland there, control.
The first conclusion we jumped to is that the car's stolen. He's definitely hiding something.
Towards Kilnarden House, failed to stop.
We don't know what he's done at this stage. He could have done anything. He could have committed any number of crimes. He could have anything in the car with him, weapons. He could have anything. All he cares about is getting away.
Cookstown Road, still on the Cookstown Road.
Alan's running commentary is given priority on the radio, allowing other units in the area to join in the pursuit.
Cookstown Road. Car in front of us, patrol car in front of us.
The unmarked car falls in behind Alan and Shane while they wait for support from the Garda helicopter, call sign Alpha Sierra.
Any Alpha Sierra there, control?
Alpha Sierra on the way. 19, Alpha Sierra on the way.
He's only thinking in the last seconds which way he'll go. So at the last minute, he'll do something dangerous in the hope that we won't follow.
Left for Ballymount. Left at Ballymount.
He was pushing it hard. He wanted to get away from us at all cost.
Once we're on the M50 control, we're going to get in front of him, try and box him in here. He's out of control.
And we just thought we could accelerate past him. We could apply our brakes a little bit, which would slow him down.
But as soon as we got alongside, parallel with him, he swerved to his right to try and sideswipe us. And again, from a safety point of view, we just had to ease off and stay behind him.
Watch the brakes. Where are we, M50 South?
He was driving hard out the M50. We were going as hard as we could, and he was pulling away still. So obviously he's trying to get away from us. He's running hard.
She's fast, whatever she is. He's pulling away from us there, control. If we've Alpha Sierra, please.
With the car accelerating to over 180 kilometres an hour, Alan and Shane are eager to get the helicopter overhead.
Tango Bravo 15 to Alpha Sierra, looking for an ETA, please.
Just 1 minute behind you there, lads, 1 minute.
At the Ballantyre exit now. Taking the Ballantyre exit. Alpha Sierra, are you with us?
Roger, yeah, we're with you now, lads, yeah?
The helicopter takes over the commentary and Alan and Shane can back off.
Right, wrong way around the roundabout, down Nutgrove Way towards Nutgrove Shopping Centre, all units.
When the helicopter's above, we can just follow at a distance, and we can also head him off. We can have units up ahead with a stinger.
And he's left on Nutgrove Avenue, heading back for Rathfarnham again there.
The stinger throws out telescopically. It has a load of spikes in it, and the spikes go into the tyres and deflate the tyres.
Come on, Stinger.
The stinger either bounced off the side of the wheel, or the wheel went over it. In any case, it didn't puncture the wheel. At the junction to the red lights, he's just blown through them. He just goes straight through them. He won't even brake.
Passing the pub there and just opposite the shopping centre.
This driver goes against traffic. He goes into oncoming traffic, regardless of if there's traffic coming towards him or not. So he doesn't care about the other people. They're going to have to swerve out of the way. It's a growing concern for us when we see that. Whether he knows it or not, it will definitely influence our decision on whether to continue the pursuit or not.
I'm sick of this now, it's over.
He was driving straight through the red lights. He wasn't easing off. He wasn't braking at all.
You need to slow down.
So we slow down, make sure the junction is clear, then we can drive on through.
The pursuit has been going on now for 15 minutes and is getting more and more dangerous.
Probably hope that we go through a junction and have an accident or something go wrong.
That's all that's going through his mind, is losing the blue lights in his mirror.
He ended up in rural roads heading for the Dublin Mountains.
Okay, still on the Bornabrina Road.
He approached a bridge over the River Dodder, and it's a bridge at right angles, and it's only wide enough for one car.
He's going to lose it down here.
He went into it at speed, he braked, and he skidded into a gateway. At this point, I pulled up alongside him, expecting that he was going to bail out and make a run. When he was trying to drive away again, I saw an opportunity to stop it. You could see from our in-car camera he was trying to counter-steer from the way his car was being pushed. At that point he was at right angles to the roadway and he couldn't get going.
Once we're out of the vehicle as well, it's a dangerous situation for us. He's going to try and still get away. We break the windows, we do what it takes.
It'll frighten him for a second, get his attention away from what he's doing. The chase is over, but yet, while he's behind the wheel of that car, there's still a huge element of danger there. So until he's taken from behind the wheel of the car, only then the danger is over.
He still didn't want to be arrested. He didn't want to come with us, and he had to be taken out rather than walking out.
This is a successful ending. As far as we're concerned, it's a successful ending. No one was hurt.
I think we have one custody at the moment. Control, let's terminate it now.
It's not all that common, but it's too common at the same time. If it happens once, it's too much, because there's too many people put in danger all the way through, at every junction, at every crossroads. Every other road user that's nearby is in danger during something like that. So it's all too common.
The man driving the car was convicted of criminal damage and endangering the lives of Sergeant Alan McDevitt and Garda Shane Carlos, and several counts of dangerous driving. He was disqualified for 5 years and sentenced to 3 years in prison with 1 year suspended. He has since been convicted of numerous other road traffic offences and is disqualified from driving until 2020.